Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll solve this problem based on the concepts of sine law. So we are given a triangle in which we know the value of angle A, angle B, and we know the length of side BC. And we have to solve this triangle. That means we have to find the measure of the unknown angle, which is this angle C, and we have to find the lengths of sides AC and AB. Now, the first concept we need to use here is to understand what kind of case this is. This is a AAS case. So AAS represents angle side case. So that means we are given two angles and the side that makes second angle. So for AAS case, we use sine law. Now the first thing we can do here is to calculate the value of angle C. So we know that sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So we can find the measure of angle C by subtracting these two given angles from 180 degrees. So this is our first step. And I get 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is equal to 120 degrees. So that's the measure of angle C. So now we have all angle values in this triangle. Now we can find side B or length of side AC. So for that, we'll use the sine law equation, and we know angle A and we know the length of the opposite side, which is 3.5 units. And we'll use that to find the length of side B. Now since we have to find a missing side length, we'll use the form of sine law equation that has side lengths in the numerator. So the equation is A over sine A equals B over sine B. So we are using these two ratios because we know side A and angle A, and we know angle B, and we have to find side B. So now we can sub in the values. So 3.5 over sine of 25 degrees. That's angle A equals side B over sine of 35 degrees. And now we can solve for side B by cross multiplying sine of 35 degrees, and that way we'll be isolate side B on the right side of this equation. So we get 3.5 times sine 35 degrees over sine of 25 degrees equals B. And now we can evaluate this expression. So I got 4.75. So we can rewrite this as B equals 4.75 units. So this should be the final answer for length of side AC. So this one is 4.75 units. Now we can find the length of side C or AB using sine law, because now we know that angle C is 120 degrees. So now we can use angle A, side A, and angle C and side C. So our equation will be A over sine A. So since we have to find a missing side length, we'll use the form in which the side length is in the numerator of sine of angle C. And now we can sub in the values. So side A is 3.5 units over sine of 25 degrees equals C over sine of 120 degrees. And now we can isolate C by cross multiplying sine of 120 degrees. So we get 3.5 times sine of 120 degrees over sine of 25 degrees equals C. Now we can evaluate this expression. So I get 7.17 equals C, which can also be written as C equals 7.17 units. So in this case, I rounded the answer to 2 decimal places, but you can round your answers based on the given rounding instruction. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.